Real estate investment for beginners. Welcome to your first step in real estate investment. Whether you're looking to build long-term wealth or diversify your portfolio, real estate can be a great option. In the next 5 minutes, we'll break down the essentials you need to know to get started on your real estate journey. Ready to dive in? 1. Why real estate? So, why real estate? It's one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Over time, property values tend to increase, and you can generate passive income through rent. Plus, it offers tax benefits and leverage, allowing you to use borrowed money to buy more property. But, like any investment, it's important to understand the risks before jumping in. 2. Types of real estate investments. Now, let's talk about the different types of real estate investments. There are 3 main categories to consider. 1. Residential properties. Think houses or apartments. You buy, rent, and collect monthly rent payments. 2. Commercial properties. These are office buildings or retail spaces. They're often leased to businesses. 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you're not ready to buy property yourself, REITs allow you to invest in real estate indirectly through a stock-like vehicle. Each has its pros and cons, so let's move on to how to get started. 3. How to get started. Getting started is simpler than you might think. Here's a basic roadmap. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your first investment. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take a course on real estate. Set your budget. Know how much you can afford to invest. Factor in down payments, closing costs, and any potential repairs or renovations. 3. Get financing. Most people need a mortgage to buy property. You can get pre-approved for a loan to understand how much you can borrow. 4. Find the right property. Research the local market. Look for areas with strong rental demand or appreciating property values. Work with a real estate agent if needed. 5. Close the deal. Once you've found a property, negotiate the terms, complete the paperwork, and seal the deal. It may sound like a lot, but taking it step by step makes the process manageable. 4. Risks and challenges. Like all investments, real estate comes with risks. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Market fluctuations. Property values can go up and down. It's important to buy in areas with strong, consistent demand. Liquidity. Real estate isn't a quick-turn investment. It may take time to sell or rent out your property. Maintenance costs. Owning a property means dealing with repairs and maintenance, which can eat into your profits. So, always make sure you're prepared for the ups and downs that come with owning real estate. 5. The path forward. Real estate investment isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, strategy, and sometimes a little risk-taking. But if you're consistent and make informed decisions, it can lead to substantial wealth over time. The key is to start small, stay informed, and build your portfolio gradually. Ready to take the plunge into real estate? Remember, it's all about making smart, informed choices. If you're just starting out, begin with research and take your time. The real estate market will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching this quick guide on real estate investment. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your financial future. Want more tips on real estate or other investment strategies? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable content coming your way.